Hi everyone, welcome to another installment video of Bully Sports Cards. Today we're opening up a Chilling Reign Elite Trainer box. This is the second box that we have, right? And we are currently in location at Marble Falls. It's called Granite Shoals. And we're staying here at an Airbnb. How do you like it so far, buddy?
It's good.
It's good. What's been your favorite part so far?
The hot tub.
Yeah, the hot tub's pretty sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely have to add that to one of our needs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So let's go ahead and open up this box. Hopefully we get some of the cards that you've been wanting.
Yeah, I want the Volcanion V Pokemon card for a long time, but I didn't get it. So hopefully we could get it today.
Hopefully we do get it today. So let's go ahead and open it up.
Yeah.
And see what kind of cards are in store for us today.
But if we don't get a Volcanion Pokemon card, we could buy one at eBay.
We can buy one on eBay.
Yeah.
So again, Elite Trainer boxes, I'm pretty sure you all are familiar with everything that comes inside.
Yeah.
We definitely became familiar with it pretty quick, right? We like the trainer boxes, right?
And there's another game box.
Yeah. So let's see what we got. There's your guide.
Yeah.
It's your player's guide. It's the same as the other one you got from that other Chilling Reign.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same.
It's the same. We're gonna have the same energy cards, your rule book. Let's see, your dividers, right?
Yeah.
That's the same. The markers. Let's see here. I'm gonna take out the packs here. Put the packs there. Just one pack there. Those little protectors. We got protectors there just in case we have cards we need to put inside there. Oh, these are different. These are different colored.
Yeah, and they have big numbers.
Yeah. Then here's the code for any of you all who get to watch this video first. And then as always, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and we will continue to make these videos for you all. And of course, we're just getting started, so just happy to have any subscribers at all. Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa.
Yeah, so we'll put those in the trash later, okay?
Yeah.
And there's that right there. Hopefully you all can see that.
Yeah. Oh,
Got an energy
water.
card. Yeah.
Thwacky!
Thwacky.
Whoa, I got my first Thwacky card.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Fog Crystal.
Fog Crystal.
Oh, you
Hatchram.
already got that one.
Already
Yeah.
got a Hatchram, right?
Squavit, it's pretty holographic one, I think.
No, it's not a hollow.
Oh, Crabrawler.
Crabrawler.
Grookey! I got a Grookey.
You got a Grookey.
Oh, we
Aaron.
already got that one. Score Bunny, another one.
Here's a
Whoa.
hollow. Malamar.
Malamar. I like Malamar.
That's a good one.
Zarude!
Zarude.
Whoa, we finally got one.
Zarude, dude.
Oh, and it's a grass type.
Yeah, it's a grass type.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good deck so far, right?
Yeah.
Pretty good pack.
Yeah.
You guys have it?
Look kind of different.
What looks different?
That code.
The code?
Yeah, the code I
No,
pulled.
they're the same as all the other ones we pulled.
Yeah. Here's our energy. It's metal time.
Energy.
Layin.
Lydian.
Welcoming Lantern.
Welcoming Lantern.
Oh.
Clara.
Sneasel.
Sneasel.
Grookey.
Grookey.
Grookey looks kind of funny. Weedle.
Weedle.
We got another Weedle. Galorian Farfetch'd.
Far-fetched.
Cast form, rainy form.
Cast form.
Oh.
Here's a hollow Routes.
Yeah.
Routes. Here's another hollow.
Oh.
Single strike Urshifu.
Yeah.
I like that. I like those Pokemon that are like Kung Fu inspired.
Yeah.
They're the fighting type.
Yeah.
I know kung fu, or they're dressed like sumo wrestlers, or not sumo wrestlers, like judo. They know judo. There you guys go. Energy.
We got that one already.
We got this one already.
And that one
We
already.
got that. That's alright.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
Grookey.
Grookey.
Sheep.
Mareep. Yeah, Mareep.
Rockruff. Whoa.
Swirlix. That's pretty cool.
Lapras.
Lapras, too.
Yeah, we got Lapras.
So here's a
Clara.
Clara.
Clara. Swaduk. Sawduck.
Sawsbuck.
Sawsbuck.
Alright. So are you liking the pack so far? You like them so far?
Yeah. I like my Grookey and my Thwackey. I wish we could find the whole evolution chain. We could find a Rillaboom.
Rillaboom.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we can always find those later. If we buy the booster box.
Yeah.
Want to buy the booster box?
Yeah.
See what we get?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's take a while to open though.
Galorian chest plate.
Chest plates.
Flappy.
Fluffy.
Path to the peak.
Path to the peak.
Dealbird.
Delbird.
Oh.
Larvesta. Mareep.
Heracross.
Heracross. That's a good one there.
Yeah. Colobopus.
Colobopus. Larvesta. So hollow.
Yeah, it's hollow.
And Agatha.
Oh.
Agatha hollow. Okay. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Some good ones so far.
Yeah. We need to get the new V Pokemon cards or the new VMAX ones.
The VMAX.
Yeah.
I do like the VMAX.
Yeah.
I would love to get a secret rare card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crabominable.
Yeah.
Doctor. Lydian. Venipede.
Sfeel.
Crabrawler.
Brawler.
Gullet.
Gallets.
Porygon.
Yeah, that's a cool one.
Yeah.
Agatha. The hollow again.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Shaman.
Looks
Hollow.
it's hollow again.
That's nice.
And Dad, I got my first Thwackey and Grookey Pokemon card.
Are those your first?
Yeah. We haven't got them in the other pack, in the other boxes.
That's cool. I'm glad you got them. Let's see here. Where's that code? I know there's a lot of Pokemon that I have yet to learn, and I need to become familiar with them because we want to start playing a game, right?
Yeah.
I know we made
Lucky Energy.
Yeah.
Bonsweet. Lapras.
Lapras.
Blitzel.
Blitzel.
Arion.
Aaron, I think it's Aaron or
Aaron.
Aaron. Aaron.
I think it's Aaron.
Deerling. Hatena.
Yeah,
Hatena. Hollow.
Go.
Gallade. Gallade, I think that's how you say it.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I hope we can find a Volcanion V, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting one. There's that. I always gotta remember to focus the camera in the beginning. I forget to do that. Energy card.
Kakuna.
Kakuna. Flannery.
Rugged helmet.
Rugged helmet. Rugged helmet.
Gullet. Gearling. Sneasel. Galarian Farfetch'd.
Looks kind of grumpy. Looks like Daddy, right?
Yeah.
Looks like me. Furfrou. Galarian Runerigus. Is that how you pronounce that? That's a fighting type. It's a hollow. Doug Trio.
Whoa! What kind of Doug Trio is that?
I don't know. That evolves from Diglett.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah.
It can use triple heads.
Yeah. And we're finally in our last pack.
Yeah, we need to get. I really want a Balcanian V.
Dude, I really want a VMAX.
Yeah.
I like a VMAX card.
Yeah, VMAX would be cool.
I feel like we're getting gypped. But then again, like, I think we've been spoiled lately. We've been getting a lot of VMAX cards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some rainbow cards too.
Rainbow cards too. We like those.
Yeah. Hoping to find a Galarian Slowking VMAX. That would be a cool one.
Now again, let's remind our audience, if y'all want to make some trades or offer us, want us to sell some of our cards, we're open to that idea. So feel free to drop a comment down below and we will reach out to y'all. Finipede. So we got Doug Trio Hollow.
Wait a minute. Something behind it. Let's see what it is.
It's the Ice Rider Calyrex V.
No, we didn't got a Volcanion V.
It's alright, buddy. It's alright.
I really want to get one.
We already said we can always get it later, right? That's not the right behavior. That's not how we behave. That is not how we behave, right? Are you making good choices?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's make some better choices, okay? All right, guys. Like always, don't forget to hit that
like and subscribe button.
and we will see you all next time. Laters.